हेलो बच्चों, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे मैंने एक लिखा है क्वेश्चन। तो वो क्वेश्चन क्या है, उसका आंसर क्या है, ये तो हम हमेशा ही देखते हैं। तो वैसे ही आज का जो क्वेश्चन है उसके रिलेटेड जो कंसेप्ट है वो भी हम देखेंगे इन डिटेल। मतलब व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस टेस्ट, विच कंपाउंड शोज दिस टेस्ट, व्हाट इज द मैकेनिज्म। सो चलो स्टार्ट करते विदाउट वेस्टिंग आवर टाइम। सो दिस क्वेश्चन इज बेस्ड ऑन द कार्बिलामाइन टेस्ट। कार्बिलामाइन टेस्ट, ठीक है। तो व्हाट इज दिस कार्बिलामाइन टेस्ट? दिस कार्बिलामाइन टेस्ट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज, दिस कार्बिलामाइन टेस्ट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज हॉफमन isocyanide test. Hoffman's isocyanide test. This is the first point. Now what is the use of this test? So this test is useful for the detection of primary amines. Primary amines. These primary amines, either they are aliphatic or aromatic, means both type of primary amines can be detected by this test. What is the reaction of this carbylamine test? See here, if we consider the structure of carbylamine, in that R N triple bond C, this is the isocyanide, we can say that, or carbylamine. So this will be the product, and here R is the aliphatic or aromatic group. Then what is the reaction? यहाँ पे reaction क्या होगी for this carbylamine test? In that carbylamine test, primary amine, I am denoting it by using the RNH2. R may be any alkyl group, or we can say that it will be aryl group also. So primary amine is treated chloroform. It is treated with the chloroform in presence of base, and here we are getting the intermediate. What is that intermediate? Sometime there will be the question in that carbylamine test, intermediate will be, and that intermediate is dichloro, that is the CCl2, that is the dichlorocarbene. Dichlorocarbene, and further it gives us RN triple bond C, that is nothing but the carbylamine, or we can say that that is the isocyanide. So this is the simple reaction which comes under this carbylamine test. Here for this one we have to use 3 moles of the KOH, and here we are getting that isocyanide. Along with that we will get in the product, side product will be 3 moles of the KCl plus 3 moles of the H2O. So these are the side product. Now what is the mechanism? तो यहाँ पे अगर question देखते हैं तो based on this point only that question is there. See what is that question? Which of the following amine will give the carbylamine test? And here already I have written for the detection of primary amines. And in that primary amines, aliphatic as well as aromatic, both type of primary amines are included. If we observe the option here, nitrogen group is attached to 2 hydrogen, means this is the primary amine. In this, nitrogen is attached to 1 CH3 and 1 aryl group, means it is the secondary, means 2 hydrogen atoms are substituted. In this one, all 3 hydrogen atoms of the ammonia are substituted by 2 alkyl and 1 aryl, means this is the tertiary amine. And here again 1 hydrogen is replaced by the ethyl and 1 by the aryl, means this is the secondary amine. Here we can observe first option is only of the primary amine, and that's why this carbylamine test will be given by the option A, that is nothing but the aniline. तो यहाँ पे हमने क्वेश्चन भी कंप्लीट कर लिया, बट रिमेनिंग पार्ट इज द मैकेनिज्म. यहाँ पे हमें देखना है रिएक्शन बिटवीन इन द फर्स्ट स्टेप chloroform and the base. So chloroform, hydrogen, carbon, 3 chlorine atoms are attached. Again here KOH. From that KOH, OH minus will abstract that proton, and here hydrogen, and here we are getting the negative charge, means C negative and 3 Cl are there. After that here K plus is there. There is a again removal of the one of the Cl minus. Here K is there. K plus and Cl minus means first KCl is removed. How many KCl we are getting in the product? That is the 3. First one is here. I am writing here 1. ठीक है, यहाँ पे देखो OH and 1H means removal of the first H2O is there. तो यहाँ पे हमने complete कर लिया. Next one, when here there is a removal or when there is a elimination of a Cl, we are getting the dichlorocarbene as an intermediate. तो यहाँ से start होती है reaction with the primary amine. Aniline, here nitrogen group having the lone pair. That lone pair will attack this carbon, and here in this way we are getting the benzene ring, nitrogen. To that nitrogen 2 hydrogen atoms are there. Again it is bonded with this carbon. This carbon is attached to 2Cl with negative charge. This nitrogen has completed 4 bonds, means it will carry positive charge. Here that negative charge will abstract this proton, and in this way electron will be given to nitrogen, so positive charge is removed. So here we are getting benzene ring, nitrogen with only 1 hydrogen, carbon with 1 hydrogen and 2 chlorine atoms. After that OH minus from the KOH, that will abstract this proton, and here that bond will be shifted here. Again what will happen? 1 Cl will get removed. Means in this reaction second H2O molecule and second KCl is also removed. We will get here benzene ring, to that nitrogen, double bond carbon, hydrogen and 1 chlorine is there. The third KOH means OH minus from the KOH, that will abstract this proton, and here there will be the triple bond between the nitrogen and carbon formation will takes place, and that product will be N triple bond C, and 1 Cl will to that attached to that carbon. So in this way here third mole of the H2O is also removed. Here that get detached or that is get removed, and here we are getting the elimination of the 1 mole of the KCl, and finally we will get our product main one, that is the nitrogen triple bond carbon. There is a positive charge and negative charge on this carbon. So here we are getting our product, that is the carbylamine. So in this way we have completed one of the important point. So in this point you have to keep in mind that primary aliphatic and aromatic amines undergoes this or this gives carbylamine test. In this test we are getting the intermediate, that is the dichlorocarbene, and in this way we have completed our important point as well as one of the important question also. Actually this question is asked in NEET 2020 exam. Thank you all of you.